Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to design the metal rod. First of all you have to create the geometry, then after that you have to select another feature, then come to the our design modular section. First of all you have to draw the geometry of this figure. First of all you have to take the front plane and then create the geometry. Take one rectangle from here and give the dimension as well as this is 24.78, this is 18.88, and from this distance to this distance is 41.30. Okay, now this is totally defined from defined figure. After you have to select the feature. First of all in this you have to select the command of spline curve and then select from here to from here this and then done. This design is created. Okay, after that you have to select the sweep cut. There is a hole, you see there is a hole from here to here. You need this command. First of all you have to draw the circle on that face. See, the dimension of the circle is 9.93, approx 10 mm. Then you have another feature. See what we have to do. Then cut sweep command from feature section. Cut sweep command, here is the cut sweep. Actually this time this is highlighted. Actually I have already done this. You have profile and path. This is sketch and this is the whole profile, the whole geometry. Okay, from here to here. Now after that select OK. You see this is the whole create from here to this side, and then our metal rod is completed. If we want to do my project in the assembly view in 2D engineering drawing, the drawing you place OK. You see, you have to first of all you have to select the formats. I have to select the A0 ISO format, then OK, done. Page is created and your part assembly you have to insert metal rod. Now you have to select this OK, then you have to select the layout, which type of layout you want to. Okay, when I selected to projected view, then see this type of view is created. All isometric view, straight line view, horizontally view, vertically view. Then you have to the use of this drawing sheet to submit the submit your project in for future purpose. Then